Hello everyone, Leslie here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the difference between Herbalife Nutrition and a diet. Now, 99% of the things out there that tell you how you should and shouldn't eat and what way you can use to lose weight, gain weight or whatever are diets which are a temporary fix. Now, temporary fixes are all very well if you just want to maybe lose a size to get into that pair of jeans or something like that. But if they're not sustainable long term, your body will go back to the way it was when you were eating the way you were. I mean, it makes sense. You eat too much, you put on weight. You eat too little, you lose weight. You eat the right amount, you should stay at the same weight. So if you're already overweight and you eat the same amount as you already ate before, you will stay the same weight or maybe possibly even gain some weight, unfortunately. But that's the way it goes. Now, with Herbalife Nutrition, although many people come to us for weight loss or weight gain, this is also a form of nutrition. So nutrition is the way to feed your body, as we know, and when you're feeding your body with the right nutrition, then you can completely control and manage your weight. Now, Herbalife Nutrition is designed as a nutrition program that you can take long term, for as long as you like, just as long as you can eat food. You know, Herbalife Nutrition is food, but it's perfectly balanced in a lovely, safe form that's so controllable that you can just trust it and eat it every single day alongside your regular food that you would normally eat and still be able to maintain your weight to within a pound or two. And that is exactly what has happened to me. So I used Herbalife Nutrition many years ago, over 33 years ago, in order to try and lose some weight. I thought it was a diet at the time. I didn't realize that it was a nutrition program, and I really couldn't understand why some people could use Herbalife Nutrition to gain weight. And then I also didn't quite understand the long-term benefit of Herbalife Nutrition. But what I found, actually by accident, was that because I continued using Herbalife Nutrition, I found that I had these additional benefits, these sort of side effects, like I cleared up all my hay fever problems, my skin became clearer, all the spots that I was getting didn't come back anymore. Just my energy levels were higher. My hair and my skin and my nails were all sort of so much healthier and growing so well. So then I started realizing that actually there was more to this than just a plain simple, what I thought was a diet. It was actually more like a nutritional diet, the type of food that your human body actually needs to survive well. So, not getting too scientific about it, because we have a whole team of scientists, nutritionists and doctors that develop our products, but not to be too scientific, it really is a matter of Herbalife Nutrition supplying your body with all the nutrients that it needs on a daily basis in a perfect balance. And then when you get that in this lovely simplified and clean form, you can then go ahead and eat the kind of food that you would like, with limits, obviously, because let's face it, if you were eating a ton of cream cakes while taking Herbalife Nutrition, I think it might be difficult to keep the weight and etc. down. However, if you listen to your body, you will find that 9 times out of 10, if not 10 times out of 10, your body is satisfied when it's getting the right nutrition and then giving yourself a meal or two of sensible food every day. You will then be in the perfect place for maintaining your weight and your health long term. And so Herbalife Nutrition needs to be looked at differently to all these other diets. There are diets out there that have been, you just go to Google and you will find 100 diets at least. People who say this was good, that's good, you know, try this, try that. And you can try them all. And I have tried many of them. But the thing is, the one program that I have stayed with long term is Herbalife Nutrition. Why? because I feel so good on it, because I get better and better with it every single day. You don't just lose weight and then continue to lose weight. What happens is you get to your optimal weight and your body likes to be at that weight and you will stay there. Now, if you went on any other kind of starvation program, you could basically lose weight and starve yourself to death. Whereas with Herbalife Nutrition, you are not starving yourself at all. You're feeding yourself with more nutrition than you normally would get in 3 or 4 meals a day. And you end up with all this good nutrition in a very, very low calorie package. So you can just automatically, sensibly eat the kind of food that you enjoy, and Herbalife Nutrition will take care of the rest by making sure that your metabolism is working well, the fats are being burned, and the protein is being stored in your muscles, and all that kind of scientific stuff that I don't really like getting into, because this is not about being scientific or clever. This is about trusting the scientists who have put it together, trusting that Herbalife Nutrition would not be in 95 different countries around the world had it not passed all the regulations and tests and requirements that all of those countries demand of us. So Herbalife would not be going for 40 years and feeding millions and millions of people with their highest quality nutrition if there was nothing, if there was anything wrong with it. So basically, trust that all of these things have been put together in the best scientific way. Enjoy the taste of it. Incorporate it with your daily food routine. Talk to your coach so that you understand a little bit more about the right choices of food that you should make. That's what we're here for. That's the other benefit of being on Herbalife Nutrition. It comes with a coach. It comes with somebody who's actually used these products and is using these products every single day and can lead you and teach you by their example all the best ways of getting the best results from these products and from your daily routine of being active and eating the right kinds of food around it. So don't go and buy Herbalife somewhere on Google or the internet that you don't know. Buy it from a coach, someone that you know and trust, because that is what our job is. Our job is to look after you and to make sure that you get the best result from your Herbalife Nutrition program. And I look forward to helping you. If you haven't already got a Herbalife Nutrition coach, you can find my number somewhere around this video. And but if you have, go and talk to your coach and get yourself on a good nutrition program which sets you up for your personal results and your good health results long term. So I hope that's cleared up a few things for you. I hope you'll get your own good result with Herbalife Nutrition. And you know, if I can help, give me a call, drop me a line, and I'll be happy to help you. So bye for now.